Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Let's update our thoughts on NIO. Right now, NIO is doing some weird signs, alright? It seems like it is quite erratic in the past few days, in the past few weeks. However, we still can make some sense of it. I'm gonna update the most important key points on NIO in this video. Of course, first remember to click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on many stocks, including NIO, all right? And join the top 5% of best traders that can actually beat the market and make some money over here. We are the top 5%. Check our performance. It is totally public. In this link, you'll see how we are doing. There is a public Google document over here with our overall performance. I think you guys are going to be impressed by what we have to offer. Check my services, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, back to NIO. Yes, it is very erratic. Yes, it is. However, if we analyze the 1 hour chart, it feels like NIO is trying really hard to reverse this trend, right? Maybe NIO is inside a flag pattern. Here we had a violation, but it was only due to volatility. If we analyze in the daily chart, this let me get back over here. Let me visibility days, okay, because this is important to analyze the daily chart as well. If we analyze in the daily chart, this pattern looks like a bearish chart pattern, right? So it looks like a very strong bearish pattern, just like Tesla did recently in the 1 hour chart. I really recommend watching my Tesla video for more information. But NIO is doing indeed a bearish flag chart pattern in the daily chart. In addition, we see that the 21 EMA is indeed working as a resistance area for NIO. Yes, we violated this area once, twice, 3 times, 4 times over here, but still, it seems we can't consistently trade above the EMA. What's more, to make things worse, we have the 1173, this red line over here, which is a previous support level on NIO, and right now it is again working as a resistance. At any moment, NIO closed one candlestick above 173. Although we had some violation thanks to the volatility again, but we can't consistently trade above this huge resistance area, which I'm gonna name it a triple resistance area made by the upper level of this bearish flag, made by the EMA and made by this red line over here at 1173. So this triple resistance area is the most important resistance level on NIO. Why? Because by confirming a top level over here, which seems to be happening right now at this moment, NIO will just resume the bearish trend, and it has decent chances of triggering this bearish flag downwards. What's the next target on NIO if this happens? Well, I'm gonna explain to you guys later. Now, if NIO actually breaks this triple resistance area, then we're gonna see the first meaningful bullish reversal structure on NIO, and in this scenario, the next resistance is the next target. What's the next resistance on NIO? Well, $23. I don't believe we can go that high, at least not immediately. So I would use Fibonacci retracement to guide me in this situation. And in my humble opinion, the 50% retracement is the best retracement to work with, because the 50% is around $15.65. Memorize this number, 15.65. Now, back to the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, NIO is in a clear support level, and we see this purple trend line. In addition, we have this black line, which was this gap area around 9.40. This is the most important support level on NIO. And if we lose the 940, if NIO actually triggers the bearish flag in the daily chart, then I believe NIO is going to retest $5.70. Maybe we won't immediately lose this purple trend line over here, but even if NIO respects this trend line but keeps trending downwards, eventually it would retest the $5.70 again. So the most important support level on NIO is 940. Now, do you remember the $15.65 I just mentioned it? Well, in the weekly chart, the 50% retracement is very close to the 21 EMA in the weekly chart. The EMA in the weekly chart is at 15.57, so it is quite close to the 50% retracement in the weekly chart as well. So these are the scenarios on NIO. By triggering the flag pattern in the daily chart, the bear trend will just continue, and in this scenario, unless if we see an amazing bullish recovery, bullish structure first, the 5.7 is the next support level to work with. By breaking the triple resistance area in the daily chart around 11.73, NIO has, let me see, where is 1173? It's around here. NIO has roughly at least 30%, 32% upside potential in my humble opinion as a retail trader, as a retail investor. And I'm saying this as someone who's outside NIO right now. I don't have any position on NIO. I don't have any personal bias on it. And I'm saying this, I'm just sharing my thoughts as a retail trader like everybody else over here. Okay, I think NIO is a very good and promising stock regardless of what happens. If it triggers this bearish flag, great. If it breaks the triple resistance, great. Either way, we have plenty of volatility ahead of us. NIO is a very good stock to trade, very volatile as well. And of course, if you want to keep in touch with my personal trades, remember, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Join the top 5%. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.